hindi malapit na pala yung Valentine's Day, anniversary din natin. So, naisip ko mag-record ng isang kanta para sa'yo. So, sana gusto mo to. Happy Valentine's advance and happy anniversary para. Bali, trending yan sa Pinas yung nakatayo ngayon. Thinking Out Loud by Ed Sheeran ito. Sana gustuhan niyo at sa mga lovers dyan. Okay, here we go. Let's don't work like they used to before. I can't sweep you off your feet. But you must remember the things that you love. When you once you still smile for your cheeks. And nothing nothing you seem more 17. And maybe my love could still for us hard the 23. I'm thinking now, people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just a touch of your hand. Me, I fall in love with you every single day. I just wanna tell you I am. So honey now, take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your hand on my beating heart. I'm thinking out. We found love right where we are. When my hair all done and the memories fades, and the crowds don't remember my name. When my hands don't play this game the same way, I know you still love me, say. 'Cause I your soul could never grow old this evergreen. And maybe your smile forever in my mind and memory. I'm thinking now, people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe it's all part of the plan. Well, I just keep making the same mistakes, hoping that you'll understand. But baby now, take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your hand on my beating heart. I'm thinking out that we found love right where we are. Gusto ko manood. So baby now, take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your hand on my beating heart. I'm thinking out now. We found love right where we are. We found love not there we are. Love you, Brooks.